if you don't say bonjour, it's disrespectful.
And it may change your entire experience and price tag.
Today, we're gonna be testing a couple of restaurants in Paris, but we are going undercover. A few weeks ago, a French video which went viral showed how some restaurants in Paris were scamming Americans, and that even made it to the US news. Now, we've produced a bunch of videos about tourist scams and tourist traps restaurants, but if there is a scam that is specifically targeting Americans, well, that's a whole new level.
It's all right or not?
Okay, yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
So it did happen. So today, we're gonna go and find out if that's still a thing, and if restaurant scams like that are truth or a fiction. Allez, on y va. This is probably one of the worst restaurants in Paris on Google.
Bonjour.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you speak English?
Sure.
Hi, can I get a seat, just one person?
Yeah.
Okay.
For lunch, you want to eat something or just for drink?
Yeah, for lunch.
For lunch, I got a small table on the table.
Okay, thank you.
It's fine for you.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Bonjour.
So I ordered the water and I was brought a glass of water without saying anything, but I think that they definitely noticed the cameras. I don't know that I'm going to get the same treatment anybody else is getting.
Bonjour, je suis tout seul pour déjeuner.
Tout seul, la petite table ici, ça va?
Parfait. Okay, merci. I can see where Colleen is. He's 3 tables away from me. Colleen is right there. I don't know why, but I'm like all nervous that I'm doing undercover. I think I'm gonna have cheeseburger for $20. I'm gonna see how long it takes them to take my order. I don't know what Colleen ordered.
I asked the waiter, what was their most popular dish, and he was guiding me to the duck confit and the beef bourguignon, that those are very popular, so I went with the duck confit.
Bonjour monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Un cheeseburger s'il vous plaît. Je prendrai un café et un dessert après
Ouais,
ça.
ça marche. Vous voulez en bouteille ou en carafe?
Carafe s'il vous plaît. Ouais. Merci bien. So this is a water carafe. And that, in France, is a whopping price of free. It's the law.
To be fair, I did not order an appetizer, I just took the main dish, and here's my the duck.
Yeah.
So let's try a bite of potato. Tough to screw up a roasted potato.
All right, I just got my burger. Very nice, actually. Good French fries.
I'm looking at this sauce, some kind of a pesto or something. It is so garlicky. Antoine would just freak out with that.
Colleen sent me a text saying that they totally noticed her camera. I think they totally noticed mine too. It's a very decent burger.
I'm still listening to the waiter talk to the young ladies, I don't know, maybe 30 from California next to me. I don't know if he's just flirting or what he's doing.
French fries were great. Burger was good. Weird sauce. Wasn't expecting that, but it's decent. Let me try the salad. Decent.
There's a lot of greasy waste in this duck. And it's just not finishable. I ate the meat.
I'm gonna try to order dessert. Waiting for my waiter to make eye contact.
I'm looking at the dessert menu and picking out what I'm gonna have.
Très bon.
Très bien.
Je vous laisse une seconde.
Ah non, je
Merci.
vous laisse aussi une seconde.
Non, profitez-en.
Profitons-en.
Profitons-en, exactement. Vous avez une crème brûlée?
Oui.
Une crème brûlée, un café.
Ok.
S'il vous plaît, merci.
Un dessert, madame?
Yes, the salted caramel crisp.
Why not?
And
That's good.
And a cup of coffee.
Double coffee, americano, espresso.
What's the difference?
Espresso, double espresso, americanos. The size.
It's just a regular, like I buy coffee in the US.
Yes, I don't know. The French espresso.
Espresso. It's funny how he keeps pretending he doesn't know about the US. There's no question that There's no question that a guy working here knows American culture, even if it's only by TV. In this restaurant, they brought up the coffee while they were waiting to bring the crepe, because normally speaking, they bring the dessert, and then after dessert, you have the coffee. So that was a little bit funny for me, as being someone who eats often in French restaurants.
All right, just got my crème brûlée and my coffee. Now is going to be the moment of truth. As for the tab.
I got my crepes, and then I've got this little spoon here to dribble all around. It's not dribbling very well. We're going to take a bite.
Nothing to write home about, but it's just a crème brûlée.
I don't think I'll be finishing those
Je
crepes.
finis à 4 heures. Okay? 4h05, toi et moi, drink something, okay? Oh là 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 là.
The California girls at the next table just left, and the flirty waiter told them to come back. He gets off at 4 o'clock. Come back and we'll have a drink. Strange.
Yes.
I just want the check.
Yes.
He's not my waiter. He said yes as if it means something. Ready to pay?
Bonne journée à vous.
Merci à vous aussi. Au revoir. My cover is completely blown. I have two fans that sat right in front of me. And they're like, are you Antoine from the Frenchies? But here, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you those fans to you. Say hi, guys.
Can I pay with a tap?
Why not?
Okay.
Merci. Thank you.
Thank you.
This for me and this is for you. Thank you a lot.
Thank you
Bonne
so
day.
much.
Merci beaucoup.
So I just saw Colleen pay her bill. I don't know if they asked her for a tip. He didn't ask me for a tip. The fact that I'm French probably has something to do with it, but we'll see. I'm going to go and connect with her and see if they misbehave with her. Well, that's very nice. It's time for an honest review. How was your experience?
My experience was not bad. You know, like I was greeted. I asked, do you speak English? Yes, of course I do. I don't know if it's all of the waiters, but the one that I had spoke perfect English,
Right.
but he kept pretending that he didn't understand American culture. The ladies at the table next to me were asking for ice, and he was pretending he didn't know what ice was.
This is probably one of the worst restaurants in Paris on Google. If you look at the reviews, a lot of the comments on there are about scams. But in any case, we went there because we knew for sure that we were going to get scammed.
What we've heard about and read about is that in this particular restaurant, you ask for water, and then they don't say that they have a carafe d'eau or a glass of water. They just bring you the bottled water and charge you without asking. I said, I'll just have water, and he brought me one glass of water and never said anything about it again.
When you asked for the check, as an American, did he ask you for tips?
No, he did not ask for tips, but I have to say, he was looking at my camera. He wouldn't have, even if he wanted to. They didn't ask a tip for the ladies next to me. They didn't ask a tip in front of me. Another thing that they've been commented about is they have a French menu and an English menu. That's not the case. They have one menu with both French and English written on it. I think that they heard the reputation and decided to do something about it.
Both Colleen and I had the exact same camera on the table. So I think
That may not have been an accident.
I am going to admit we're horrible spies.
I'm going to say they didn't live up to the scammy part of their reputation. The other part of their reputation is for crappy food. They definitely lived up to that. I asked him, what's the most popular thing? What should I get? And he said, duck confit.
He told you because it's 24 euros.
I ordered what any American would do.
It was 33 euros and 70 cents. And how much did you spend? 36.20.
I got the duck.
Yeah, you won.
If you're near the Eiffel Tower and you want a mediocre meal, there's so many other places to find.
All right, let's go to another place.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, boo. I'm filming you, you're filming me.
I know.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you take one corner. It's a great view. What a place.
What is the most American thing I can order? That's what I want to know.
The most American thing?
Yeah.
That would be
Escargot.
onion soup,
I
escargot, and a
know.
hot chocolate. Excuse me, may I have water, just water? She wants sparkling water.
Water en
Yes,
minéral.
Tap water,
Tap
please.
water?
Yes, thank you. He asked for tap water or mineral water, so that's actually a good sign. I'm gonna have a club sandwich, chicken.
You'll have a croque madame?
Fuck, madam.
Yeah?
Come with fries and salad, without nothing.
Perfect. It just feels really super busy.
Yeah, and we have Notre Dame right behind us. That's Sainte-Chapelle right there. You can see the spire of the Sainte-Chapelle. We always say we're in the heart of Paris. This is literally the heart of Paris.
When I first got here,
Yeah.
I was going straight to the restroom, and I came in with my most American accent, speaking French with an American accent, asking, pardonnez-moi, où est la toilette? Immediately he switched to English. It's downstairs. You know, it was really funny how fast he switched.
Ooh, that's a croque madame.
Bon appétit.
Yes.
that's
Oh,
a
that
croque
looks
monsieur.
good. A croque madame is a sandwich. Think about it like a grilled cheese sandwich. It's wrapped in cheese on the outside because it's a woman that has eggs. So
It has an egg on top.
it has an egg on top because it's a croque madame.
And then you have some French fries here.
I have French fries,
Oh,
just
yeah.
like your French fries. So you take one, I get two.
All right, a little bit of ketchup.
Don't you dare ask for mayonnaise over here because that would be a dead giveaway.
Yeah, if you ask for mayo, you're like,
Antoine's eating with his fingers. I'm not eating this
I'm a savage.
thing with my...
Part here of the bread, right here, is just really tough and it feels stale. It's toasted bread, it's just not great. How's yours?
It's passable. It's not great.
That's the thing. It's like, you know, you're really overpaying for mediocre.
6 euros, 6 euros. 6 balles, sans politesse.
You caught that.
Yeah. So the one waiter told the other waiter someone just sat, a gentleman right in front of us, and he did not say bonjour. And he was telling the other one and just charge him €6 for being rude and not saying bonjour first.
He ordered an espresso.
Just a little nuances, you know. For them, it's like if you don't say bonjour, it's disrespectful.
And it may change your entire experience and price tag.
Exactly, because this guy is not gonna he's gonna get slow service and everything, so it's interesting. And here in France, it's like bonjour is
Bonjour.
bonjour. You hear that? That's the first word. Okay, I'm gonna ask him for the check. Man, addition, please. Yeah, they're telling them to get. Welcome to Paris, right? By the way, our waiter was super friendly,
Yeah.
which oftentimes they are. And again, it's like I just saw that, like how he was with the guy. He got him the coffee, and he says, "Do you want a spoon?" Yes. Throw him the spoon. Do you want sugar? Yeah. Throw him sugar. It's just the guy didn't say bonjour.
Okay, here's the tab.
Je paye
45, okay?
45. Yeah.
Yep, that's what we did.
Oh yeah. To add. Okay.
Merci. Your visa?
Oh, you said 45?
I have Visa. Yeah, he said 45.
It's alright or not?
Okay. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Can I keep this one too?
Yes.
Thank you. It's
Thank
souvenir.
you. Souvenir, yes.
Yes.
Welcome to Paris.
Yes, thank you. So it did happen. He just added himself a $3.50 tip on top of it, and I said that for this video I wouldn't argue the point. You know,
Okay.
just play. If I came in here full French, there's nowhere, because I would have looked at him like,
What's wrong with you, dude?
the fuck, you know? What do you mean? Like $3.50 for a freaking sandwich? No way, man. All right, let's go in the square and do
Let's
a
go in
full
the
review
square.
of
Yep.
whether Parisian restaurants scam and rip off tourists in Paris. How was it for you?
Well, if I'm going to look at the food and stuff, like it was okay, but we're here looking at how they treated people. I didn't feel ripped off, but I definitely felt like I was treated like an American.
So when you ordered the water,
Yeah.
did they try to scam you with the water, billing you?
And when I asked just for water, he asked me sparkling or flat water, and I said sparkling because that's my preference. They did not have a different menu. I mean, it was French and English in the menu.
Then the next thing was about the tip, and then he kind of like, I wouldn't call it a full scam or full ripoff. It was $41.50, right?
Yep.
And then he asked me $45, okay. Like, do you want to add a tip or anything? If he would have tried to add 20% on top, then that would have considered that a complete ripoff. He would have never asked that to a French person. We did 2 restaurants. Both restaurants passed. They didn't
Yeah.
try to scam us or rip us off or charge us for things that they shouldn't. Ripping off and scamming tourists, specifically American tourists, is the exception, not the rule in Paris. I would watch our video on how to outsmart pickpocket. There are a lot of pickpockets in the metro, and you have to be careful. And again, it's the exception, not the rule. It's not like it's crawling with pickpockets, but they are there.
There's probably a big role that social media plays in that.
These posts go viral that you get scammed and ripped off in all the restaurants in Paris, and it's just simply not true.
Absolutely not true.
If you got value out of this video, please click like and subscribe and share this video with anyone coming to Paris. And until next time,
Au revoir.
au revoir.